action! Camera 3, close on the wheel. Back up, back up.
Step 1, get the prompt. First, we need the prompt. I've already prepared the exact prompt that we're going to use, and I've put it on my website. You can find the link in the description of this video. Before you use the prompt, there's one important thing you need to change. Look for the part that says miniature, fill here, and replace it with the miniature location you want to create. For example, I'm going to use Miami Beach. So basically, we're telling the AI that the scene is a miniature Miami Beach that's being used for a movie production. Once you've filled in the location, simply copy the entire prompt. And now we're ready to generate the video. Step 2, generate the video. Now go to Google Flow and log in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, create a new project. Then make sure you're using the video generation mode. For the generation options, select Ingredients and set the aspect ratio to Portrait 9:16, since we're creating a video for TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts. For the video model, select Omni Flash. Then choose the maximum video duration available. Now paste the prompt that we copied earlier into the prompt box. Once everything looks good, just hit Send. Google Flow will then start generating the video. Depending on the system and your account, you'll have to wait a few moments for the generation to finish. And that's it. Your AI-generated BTS movie production scene is ready.
And action! Camera 3, close on the wheel. Back up, back up.